Introducing the GT20 Pro. This gaming device has one of the best designs I've seen this year. You get cool Glip notifications and a powerful chipset, same as the one on the Camera 30 Pro. But how well does it handle games? Let's find out. When you open the box of the GT20 Pro, you find a lot of cool stuff inside. There's the device itself, a 45 watts charger. You also get a case and a screen protector to keep your phone safe. And there's a USB-C wired headphone for listening to music or videos. Plus, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. The GT20 Pro is available in three cool colors, which is Mecha Blue, Orange, and Silver. They all come with 12 GB of RAM and 256 storage. One of my favorite features is the Mecha Loop, which is similar to the Glyph interface on Nothing phones. It changes the lights on the back of the phone, offering you a variety of effects. There are 4 unique effects in total, and you can choose from several different colors based on your preference. For design, the GT Pro shares design similarities with the Note 40, especially when you look at the camera models. The back is made of a combination of glass and plastic, giving it a premium feel. The frame is also made of plastic, which keeps the phone lightweight and comfortable to hold. On the sides, you find the volume and power button on the right, making it easy and accessible. At the bottom, there's a dual SIM card tray, a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. You get dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL and an in-display fingerprint sensor, allowing you to quickly and securely unlock this device with just a touch. The GT Pro display is really impressive. You get a 6 inches AMOLED screen with a 1080p resolution and a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. The bezels are very slim, providing an immersive viewing experience. The display is vibrant and colorful, making it perfect for gaming and watching videos. In terms of brightness, the GT20 Pro can reach up to 1300 nits when you're outdoor, which is very bright, although the Redmi 13 can go up to 1800 nits. But still, the GT20 Pro's display is very colorful and bright. For the operating system, the GT20 Pro runs on Android 14 out of the box, along with Infinix Custom OS XOS 14. The OS gives you a familiar Android experience with some added customization. You find the basics like swiping down from the top left corner to access notifications, while swiping down from the top right corner to review quick toggles and other controls. Additionally, swiping to the right brings out Edge Panel, offering you quick access to apps and features. Infinix promises 2 years major Android updates and 3 years of security patches, which is a step up from the previous one, which was 1 year support. However, it's worth noting that the industry standard is 4 years OS updates and 5 year security patches. In terms of customization, the GT20 Pro allows you to tweak and personalize your phone to your liking, from changing themes to customizing the layout and appearance of your home screen. For audio, the GT20 Pro doesn't come with the traditional headphone jack, but fear not, in the box you get a Type-C wired headphone. The dual stereo speaker on this device is loud, perfect for immersing yourself in gaming or enjoying your favorite tunes. However, they do lack a little bass. If you're listening to Afrobeat or something with drums, you might notice it's not punchy enough. The fingerprint reader is integrated into the display, which is not only cool but also effective. It's super fast and conveniently located where you will naturally place your finger, making it easy to access. The GT Pro features a dual SIM setup, but there's no slot for a micro SD card. However, with 256 GB of storage, you might not need a micro SD card. When it comes to performance, this device comes powered with a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. While this chipset may be 2 years old, it's well known for heavy gaming, vibrant colors, and energy efficiency. In terms of real-world performance, the GT20 Pro delivers very well. It handles tasks with ease and offers a smooth gaming experience. The benchmark score of 934K reflects its solid performance and capabilities. One of the standout features of this device is thermal management. Despite its powerful performance, the device doesn't heat up even during extended gaming sessions. This ensures that you enjoy your favorite games without worrying about overheating issues. This device also comes with an X Boost feature, which lets you control the performance level of games. It offers 3 options, which is power saving mode, equilibrium mode, and performance mode. In simple terms, this mode translates to low, medium, and high performance levels. Overall, you get an excellent gaming experience. Games like PUBG can be played smoothly at 120Hz at HDR graphics setting and extreme frame rates. However, I encountered some limitations while playing Call of Duty Warzone. Despite increasing the refresh rate to 144 Hz from the display setting, I couldn't get it to go past 60 Hz. But for the most, the GT20 Pro offers a great gaming experience. When it comes to battery life, the GT20 Pro does a good job. It features a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 45-watt charging brick that allows you to charge the device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. With heavy usage, you can expect around 12 hours of battery life, which is impressive. And with lighter usage, you can go at least 24 hours in a single charge. This means you can go through a full day without worrying about charging this device. For the camera, this device comes with 3 cameras at the back, but the most useful one is the 108 megapixel main camera. The others are a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. During the day, the main camera performs really well, capturing plenty of details and offering a wide dynamic range. Colors are decent. In portrait mode, it captures enough details, although the background separation isn't perfect. In low lighting, the device produces usable photos. It manages noise well, but heavy noise separation can sometimes blur fine details. The super night mode brightens up scenes, helps take better photos, but sometimes it reduces the details. 4K videos from the main camera are great with details and they are very, very colorful. Selfies from the 32 megapixel front facing camera have plenty of details, although the colors could be improved. But if you think about it, the GT20 Pro is primarily a game phone, so the camera performance isn't the main focus. So, as usual, pros and cons before I give my verdict. Pro number one, powerful performance. The chipset is amazing. It can handle any game you throw at it. Won't lag. It's very, very smooth. Pro number two, vibrant display. Very colorful, 144 Hz display. I love consuming media on this device. Pro number three, amazing battery. If you're not a heavy user, you can use this phone for more than a day. If you're a heavy user, 12 hours. If you push it too much, it can be less, but 12 hours at least. And my final pro, I love the bezels. It's almost bezel-less, but they're still bezels. It's very, very thin. Not as bulky as most competition. For the cons, I have only one. Now, this device has a high refresh rate, one of the highest, 144 Hz, but you do not utilize it while gaming. Most times you can go 120 Hz. Most game like Call of Duty Warzone will only allow you go up to 60 Hz. I really don't get it. It's a gaming phone. We're supposed to get the full experience. You're supposed to go as high as you can. So why Infinix? For my conclusion, I think the GT20 Pro is a solid gaming phone with powerful performance, a smooth 144 Hz display, and good battery. Design is to die for. Believe me, it's one of the best I've seen this year. I love everything about it. And it offers a great gaming experience, but it could be better. As I said earlier, heavy gaming should be played above 60 Hz, and the camera could be better. But overall, I think if you're looking for a good device, a gaming device, this is one to go out for. So, as usual, like, share, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this device, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.